Hello guys and dolls. Today we're going to be looking at a Class 33 diesel locomotive from Hellion. Here is the obligatory end of the box view. It's Hellion part number 3442, Class 33 BR Green FYE. I don't know what that means. It's number 33008 Eastleigh. Now for the unboxing. Just slides out, and the locomotive is in a rather attractive red and blue inside insert, and it has the usual ice cube style packaging enclosing the locomotive. And inside the box there is the instruction sheet, and it says BRCW Type 3 Class 33 with an illustration, and it says it's the BRCW Type 3 stroke BR Class 33 Crompton. Here's a lot of information. It tells you here how to fit a DCC decoder, and on the other side there's information about the components, and there's a history of the class here. We shan't bother to go into that. This is where Sam's train seat goes, ah! So let's get it out and go, ah! Right. Well, there she is. Let's get it onto the turntable and have a closer look, shall we? Well folks, here's a 360-degree view. On the front of the loco it has 89 as the head code. And on the other end it has 99 as the head code. How about that? Right, let's take a closer look. Taking a closer look at this loco, we find at the front this has fitted separate rail there, and there's the nice British Railways logo. There are some handles on the side. I can't tell whether they are separately fitted or not. Let's pan along. There's the number 33008. Let's rotate this round and have a look at the front. Oh, it's gone too far. Let's go back. That's not good. Do it more slowly this time. Stop. Yes. Zoom in a bit. This type of locomotive was used very extensively across southeast England. It was always a southern region locomotive, not used much elsewhere in the country. All of these locomotives are now preserved You do still see them, but they're not in regular service. Most of them are actually on heritage lines. See, it does have windscreen wipers there, and it has lights on the front. A nice red buffer beam. Now it's time to get this onto the track and have it see how well she performs. The moment's truth, folks. Seems to be okay. Let's try to cross the points. No problems there. Let's go and collect some coaches. What do you know, there isn't a coupling on this engine. There's a detail bag with the coupling inside it. I hadn't noticed the couplings weren't fitted. So it proves this loco was new out of the box, isn't it? The coupling in there somewhere. Yes, there we have the coupling. How about that? Let's fit it to the loco. I've now fitted the couplings to the NEM pockets, which I'm bound to say is extremely difficult. I'm just taking this opportunity to show you the underneath of the loco. It's the underneath. It's a bit of detail, but there's not much to really write home about. The electrical contact seems to be along the axle. And got another derailment, and he's left his carriages behind. Oh well, better go round and collect them. And we've derailed again. That seems to stop. And it's derailed. Let's try this points test again without the coaches. And she's off the rails. So I'm afraid this train gets the Sam's Trains Lemon Award for being a derailing train. I shall see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. What are we going to do about this derailing train? This will stop him farting in church. It doesn't much like the point, but it's not coming off, not derailing. Let's try connecting out the carriages. No. It's not derailing, but it doesn't like it much. If you've got a solution, please make a comment. Ah, it's derailed again. I found the problem with this is solved if you remove the front coupling. The front coupling was jamming against the detail on the front buffer beam and causing the train to derail. With the front coupling removed, it seems to solve the problem. Okay, once again, thanks for watching.